Hey everyone, and welcome back. I know how much you all loved my mini Victoria sponge cake tutorial, so today I'm back with another mini sponge recipe, and this time it's lemon with a lovely lemon curd centre topped with a tangy lemon buttercream. Okay, let's start baking. To make the sponge cakes, we're going to mix together room temperature butter and sugar, and you're going to mix it until the mixture is nice and fluffy. Next we're going to add in the eggs, and I like to whisk them before I add them to the mixture. Pour them in and add in the self-raising flour and the lemon zest. Beat until the mixture is nice and smooth, just like this. Use an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon and divide the mixture evenly between each of the holes in the mini sponge tin. If you don't have this tin, don't worry, you can still make them, just use a cupcake case and they will be perfect. These are ready for the oven, and we're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to make the lemon buttercream now, and this is so easy. We're going to whip butter for 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft and it's whiter in colour. At this stage we can add the icing sugar, and I add a little at a time and whisk it in. Do this until all the icing sugar is mixed in. Time to add the flavouring, and we're just adding some fresh lemon juice, and we're going to mix this in for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready, so let's decorate our mini sponge cakes. The mini sponge cakes are baked and have cooled, and they'll look fantastic. Cut the mini sponge in half with a sharp knife, pop a teaspoon of lemon curd on top. Now we're going to pipe on some of the lemon buttercream, and I love to make a nice little swirl on top. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top, and then pipe some more buttercream on top of that. Pop a small slice of lemon in the centre. And finally I have these pipettes which are filled with lemon curd, and I think they add the wow factor to the mini lemon cakes. Please leave me a comment below. I'm getting very few comments from people, and I would really love to hear from some of you. So if you leave me one below, I'll get back to you. Time to try them. I won't say no. The sponge is nice and soft and fluffy, just how it's meant to be. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe or follow my page. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!